Let us meet you on your well-being journey at a comprehensive wellness reset experience. Well-being is the state of spirit, of mind, and of body. Nourishing the whole you, the essence of you. Restoring from within. With tranquil waters and warm breezes. Elegant surroundings with exceptional service. Reconnecting with God and your spirit within. Setting your intention to be well and whole. Giving yourself permission to just be. To really rest and recharge. Refresh your spirit with intentional meditation and breathwork. One-to-one well-being consultations, aligning behaviors and goals, enriching relationships with yourself and others, ushering in peace and joy, one-to-one sessions with naturopathic wellness practitioners, guiding you toward alignment with your health goals, daily precision fitness instruction from world-class athletic trainers, restoring energy and vibrancy and joy. The result? An increased sense of well-being from an all-inclusive luxury reset experience. Join us for your wellness reset. Discover locations at luxuryexecutivewellness.com.